Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this ancestral horn in Grow a Garden Safari update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how we can use this item, I'm going to show you how you can get this ancestral horn. You can buy it from the Safari shop and it costs 75 million shekels if I'm not mistaken. Okay, right here you can buy the ancestral horn. Okay, and the ability of this item is calling upon a spirit of the savanna to aid you. And to use it, you just need to click anywhere on your garden. And the savanna spirit will help you to boost your pad XP or boost your plant's growth. And for plant, you can apply it to a growing plant because it doesn't work for the plant which has been grown. And I'm going to plant this Java banana and I'm going to apply it to this plant. And just remember guys that it only works for the Safari plant and Safari pad. And I'm going to apply it and let's see. Okay, just click anywhere. And as you can see that the spirit is appearing and it empower my zebra. It increased my zebra XP. And now the spirit disappears. And I'm going to apply it one more time. Wait guys, I'm going to apply it to my Java banana. Okay, and this spirit can grow my Java banana in 1 hour. So it applied to random plants and random pad guys. And okay, that's how we can use the ancestral horn in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.